Hello, my name is Jason Beach, and in this screencast, I'm going to show you how to add transitions to your iMovie project. Now, the process of adding transitions into iMovie hasn't changed since iMovie '09. The thing about transitions is that you got to remember, they're a lot like spice. When you're cooking, you don't want to add too much spice because it's going to overpower your dish. It's the same thing with transitions. You don't want to add too many transitions because then your entire movie becomes about the transition. To access the transitions, you'll want to press this button right here underneath the preview screen. When you click on that, you'll see a variety of transitions that are available to you. If you hover your cursor over those, you'll be able to see a preview of what those transitions look like. Now these transitions will appear between either pictures or live action. So again, you can see that some are more abrupt while others are more relaxed. If you want to use a transition, all you have to do is simply grab the transition, click and drag and drop it in between your slides. Look for that green bar in the middle letting you know that you're in between them. So when I drag and drop, it's going to place that transition in there. Now obviously this is not a very good transition. It happens so fast you can barely see it. You can increase the duration of the transition by selecting it and then going to the inspector, eye with the circle around it, and then increasing that duration time. Let's say 2. And then press done. As you can see now, slowly fades in. Now if you want to add that transition between these two photos, you can actually see it rolls in that way. Now the reason why this transition didn't ripple in here, but it did there, was because I have two pictures that I'm blending together. This is just a solid black picture. That's why it didn't ripple in. So obviously, each transition is a little different, so you want to make sure you want to experiment with each one of them to find out which one's best for you. I like fade to black the best, and that's actually the best transition because your audience really doesn't know that you're switching different scenes. This one right here, as you can see, would be pretty abrupt and may take the viewer out of your movie. So just be careful. Don't go crazy with the transitions, and you're going to end up with a great movie.